Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite troubleshooting channel, Fix Netflix. Basically, the PlayStation disc usually gets stuck when the console is horizontally resting for a long time. And today we will show you 3 life-saving hacks on how to eject a stuck disc from a PS4 console without tightening the manual eject screw, so you need watch this full video carefully. Before we start, if you found this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. So, let's start it. Step 1. First life-saving hacks and non-teardown warranty sticker. This is the first life-saving hacks. There is a eject disc option there. If the eject button is not working, press the select button when having the game selected in the PlayStation menu. Cross your fingers. That's really it. The disc should hopefully eject now. If this has not worked, there is also a second life-saving hacks that may resolve this. Step 2. Second life-saving hacks and non-teardown warranty sticker. Turn off your PlayStation by holding the power button until the system shuts off completely. Unplug all of the cords that are connected to your PlayStation from the system directly. Place the PlayStation vertically. The disc usually gets stuck when the console is horizontally resting. Placing it vertically may help dislodge it. Wait about 30 minutes. Reconnect all of the cables. Then boot into safe mode by holding the power button for 7 to 8 seconds. Cross your fingers. That's really it. The disc should hopefully eject now. If this has not worked, there is also a way that may resolve this, but it does require a little bit of assembly. Step 3. Tighten the manual eject screw. Firstly, slide down the top cover, and then peer down the side of the hard drives. And you should locate a flathead screw or bolt. And then tighten this screw until it has a bit more give than it previously did. Cross your fingers. This is a manual eject button, just in the form of a screw. That's really it. The disc should hopefully eject now. So, that's the whole story. My friends, we have covered the steps how to eject a stuck disc from a PS4 console without tightening the manual eject screw. If you face any problems or still have same experience, please leave a comment here. I will be happy to help you. If you discovered this video beneficial, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Fix Netflix, for additional tech tips and tutorials. For any inquiries or if you require further assistance, feel at ease to leave a comment below. Appreciate your time spent watching this video, and we eagerly anticipate your presence in our upcoming content.